my dear crafters. As you know, I've been struggling to find cardstock for Valentine's for all the projects that I'm making for you. But finally, Michaels came through. They have two options of cardstock, these paper pads, and they call it paper pads, but they're actually cardstock. And I will show you what I got from it and some of the goodies that I got from Michaels. But before I do that, I want to show you what you're going to see this week in terms of tutorials. Remember that I bought at the Dollar Tree these little tiny lip balms. They call it lipstick, and I told you I'm going to make a box for it. Look at these guys. These are this one is very Valentine's, but you can decorate it in many different ways. I absolutely love this little one. So that's coming up this week. And look at this. I am going to teach you the best gift you can give someone. It's a memory box. So you have this cute little box with the lace here. And when you open, what you have is a little note. It's like an envelope note thing that's going to serve as a card. You can write a beautiful note to your loved one. In here, you're going to have a lot of space for pictures. So that's why I call it a memory box, and you have on both sides. I'm going to teach you how to make these, and you can have some like blank spaces too for note taking. So you're going to learn how to make this cute little box, memory box I'm calling it, this week, okay? And let's now look at the beautiful things I got at Michaels. So the papers they had two options. This one that's more kind of a colored ones, you have more options. The other one was very red, very typical Valentine. So if that's what you want to have, good. But they had a one that was very red and white, and actually black. I didn't get the black, but anyway, I didn't get that one because I don't want to do just red, and I like the ones that have more colors. Plus, the other one didn't have many options in terms of pattern papers. They had a lot of glitter paper. If that's what you need, that's perfect, but I don't need glitter paper. So I thought this one was a better deal, and it's all 30% off. Everything Valentine's now is 30% off. Let me just flip through the paper just so you see. So you see some of it, and they have, I think, 3 or 4 of each. This one is like a pattern paper too. It has some like a stripes here. I love that it comes with these cutouts. They're very helpful when you're making boxes and even quick cards. So they have 1, 2, yeah, 2 of those. Look at this one, beautiful. It's pink with a lot of gold, a lot of hearts here that are pink hearts, some solid, which are great when you want to like make it as a base like that. That's perfect. More hearts, and here it says hearts and flowers, hugs and kisses and Valentine's. More cutouts. I really love this notepad. I thought that was the best one, and they have like a 6x6 version. So more words that are related to Valentine's. I love these little tiny hearts here with pink. Some confettis. Oh, this one is really nice. Very festive. So see, these are great too. I love these cutouts here and these strips of paper that you can use on your cards and boxes and albums, whatever you're making. And this is one of my fave. Look at that. It has these little hearts, all gold. You know, guys, I love my gold. So this is more like a watercolor. And these big hearts, these are great for tops, the top of boxes, like the lids. I would use these on a lid for sure. So that's that. So that's the paper pad. It's called Sweetheart's Day. Let me just go. Sweetheart's Day, and it comes with 24 designs, and yes, 48 sheets. So perfect. So that's the paper, but let's look at the other goodies that I got. I'm gonna start with my fave. I absolutely love these banners. Look at this. They are so beautiful and makes it so easy. Very good price. It's like $3 minus 40%. So that 4 vezes 3, 12, so that would be 180. Ends up being 180. So you get 5 banners beautiful banners. You make me happy, love is for everything, kisses and hugs, kindness matters, and happy Valentine's Day. Beautiful. Very, very nice. I got this book of stickers, so $5 minus 40% or 30%, sorry. So that would be $3.50. Ends up being $3.50. But you get here 237 beautiful stickers. And stickers, they're so useful for decoration. Look at these beautiful envelopes here. This is my favorite. And you have your little hearts. You have bigger ones like this one, love. Spread love. You can create your own words. Let me just flip through. See, this is a bigger one with little hearts. These are like banners, little tiny banners. So very nice, and you can use, if you like the paper that I have, it has pink, so they all come in pinks, but they have, if you choose the other paper pad, which is like black, white, and red, you have options for it. Works with both actually. Some hearts, and I love these phrases here, ready to go, so very practical. Love my sticker, and they have another option for stickers too. This one here, comes with 24 pieces. These are stickers, but look at that. You have options that are more with flowers and hearts. Let me just open one just to give an idea of the kind of thing that you're going to get. I believe it's 2 of each. So you see, you have some hearts, these shiny hearts here. I love you. I really like this one, so I love you. Some more hearts. Just show you the flowery ones, okay? Just so you can make an informed decision if you want this. So these are some flowers, more hearts, 2 of each. You get 2 of everything. Happy Valentine's Day. This is perfect for a box lid. Some more hearts. So these are stickers, and these are made of very sturdy cardstock, okay? You have some more here, but you don't need to see the whole thing. Next thing I'm going to show is the last one, is this little hearts. Let me get the plastic. They say puffy stickers, but they feel like metal, and they look like metal. Look at that. Beautiful. Just different tones of pink here, and then red at the bottom. So these have, of course, they come with glue on the back, and it's flat, perfect for decoration. So that is my haul. Let me just show you, because you know how it is. I was there, and they had this beautiful sale on paper pads, so I got another one. But this is not Valentine's, but guys, look at this paper pad. It's called Dark Watercolor Florals. Look at these beautiful florals here. I just could not resist. You know how it is. You go for one thing, and then you end up buying more. But I just thought these were gorgeous florals, and spring is coming, so why not? Look at this. All these roses. More roses. Tiny roses. This one, look at this. It has gold in it, foiling. You know I'm a big fan of foiling. These for a black and white box. More foiling here. Absolutely love this paper, and I said, nah, I'm just gonna get one more. Tulips, my favorite flowers. So, and I think this is my favorite one. I just love the colors. Beautiful. Some green. So this was the only one that I got that was not Valentine's related. I'm trying to not buy so much. Look at this. So much paper because I have so much. So yeah, I got another one. Oh, this one is gorgeous too. So this one's called Dark Watercolor Florals. Let me show you. Oh, the light here is not helping, huh? So that's it for today, guys. I hope I inspired you, and I, gave you some options. And get ready for my 2 tutorials this week. You're going to love my little tiny boxes. I will see you soon.